Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today is so fun. I've been waiting to create a rainbow pride look for you guys and I feel like this was just perfect. So this is kind of what I have on my eyes today, and that is all thanks to Anglicolor for sending me their bright waterproof liquid liners. Look how pretty they are. You have all the colors that you need. They also sent me their liquid shimmer shadow as well that I'm also featuring in this tutorial. So thank you so much to Ethan for contacting me and sending me these goodies. I had a lot of fun playing around with these. So before I go ahead and show you guys this tutorial, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys would like to explore these beautiful liners and also see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, I already have you zoomed in so I can go ahead and start. I also, just to save some time, I already went ahead and I primed my eye and I used the GlamLite. This is the icing eyeshadow base and this is in white frosting, if you are wondering. I'm using white because, you know, we're working with some liner colors and I kind of really want them to pop, and I have to say I'm so obsessed with this look. It's turned out to be super cute and I can't wait to show you. So I already showed you the liners. I already kind of have them all spread out here, all of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. So the first thing for me to create the hearts, to make it easy, I put on some stickers. So these are just heart stickers that I got from the dollar store. So I'm gonna try to place them the same way I did with the other eye. So we have one here and I have another one right here. Trying to match it up with the other eye as much as possible. So the first color I'm gonna start off with, it is the black liner and this is shade 12, and I'm literally gonna go and just outline the heart stickers. The best thing to do is kind of like lift your eyebrow up so you can have like a smooth surface that you can go ahead and kind of like sketch it out. So I'm literally gonna go all around that heart sticker. So that is the first one, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other. So you just outline them like this. It doesn't really need to be so perfect. I mean, you're gonna fill them up anyways. You're just gonna have kind of that outline heart shape. So now you can go ahead and remove the stickers. So it's gonna give you an outline. There's always some ways to cheat with makeup. This is kind of a good way to cheat. So I'm just gonna go back with the liner and just kind of like reform it. If you want, you can go ahead and fill them up right now, but I honestly feel like filling them up after, because I just feel like it kind of like comes together. I'm gonna do that after, but if you feel like you want to do that right now, you can go ahead and fill it up. Next color is going to be number 7, which is the purple, and I'm just gonna do kind of like a cut crease moment, and I'm gonna start from the bottom and then going with the colors up. So as long as you have the first line up, then the other ones is kind of like a piece of cake, to be honest. So I'm just gonna try my best to follow up with the other eye as much as possible and kind of have the same line measurements. And when I reach the other part, I'm just gonna kind of like wing it out. Now once you have the first line done, it's kind of easy for you to go back if you want to thicken it up, if you want to make it more pigmented. I just find with these liner, the long time you have it up, it just kind of like the tip dries off a little bit. You just kind of, I normally just flip them like this. So I normally just flip them like this a little bit to bring back the pigment, which is normal. Most of liners do that. That is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it a bit thicker and try to make it a little bit more pigmented. Now I have the purple on. I'm gonna go with the kind of like a navy blue, and this is shade 6, and I'm gonna go literally right on top of the purple. If you feel like the colors are going to overlap into each other, it is fine. It's so easy to go ahead and clean them up. You just take the other color and go over it just to make it pop a little bit more and kind of correct it that way. So now I have the blue on. I'm just gonna go over with the purple and just have some corrections done. Now moving on with the lighter blue and literally just doing the same thing. I'm just overlapping the colors, just following up with kind of the rainbow shades. And now I'm going with shade 5. The best thing is to do your first layer, let it dry a little bit, and then go over it. I feel like it becomes more pigmented. You're gonna see in a moment. That's the thing what I love about them, is like you start off light and then you can slowly build up the color by just layering them on top of each other, and then slowly the pigment will show. That is the blue. I have to say this is my favorite shade. Next I'm gonna go with the green, and this is shade 4, and again overlapping it right on top of the blue. I know the color kind of looks quite similar, but wait till it dries. The green will show a little bit more. At first I was like, ooh, okay, very similar, but then when it started to dry down a little bit, the green started to pop a little bit more. Now comes the yellow, and this is shade 3. This is going a little bit over the heart, which is not the same thing as the other eye, but it is fine for me. For a yellow shade as a liner, this is a very nice color. And this time you can go back with the other colors and you can bring them out a little bit more. This is what I mean about if you let them dry for a second. Next shade is the orange, and this is shade number 2. And again, doing the same thing over and over. Last but not least is shade red. I feel like this one honestly is my favorite one as well. I really like the light blue and the red one a lot. This is shade number 1, and this is the last color that I'm gonna add to the rainbow. Alrighty, now you're gonna go ahead and fill up the hearts. If you already did that, then you can go ahead and skip this part, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them up quick with the same black liner that I used the first time. Now I have those filled, I'm gonna take the white liner and I'm just gonna outline the black hearts just to make them kind of pop a little bit more. And the white shade is number 9. I mean, the white, it's a color that you might need to go over once it's dried a little bit just to make it pop a little bit more. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go over it. And you guys see what I mean? It just shows a little bit more when it's just dried. Now, just to make it a little bit more fun, I'm using a liquid eyeshadow. This is from e.l.f. This is called Disco Queen. And I just found it so cute for this look, to be honest. And I'm just grabbing a little bit. It does have reflex, like of rainbow reflex in it, which is perfect. I'm just gonna take it with the tip of the applicator and I'm gonna go over the black hearts and just kind of glitter them out. I just find it as such a cute little touch to it. He also sent me the liquid eyeshadow too, which is more on the pink side, which is really cute. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that with my finger here and I'm gonna literally pat that on the lid just to kind of sheer it out. I just want the glitter effect. I don't want to have so much pink effect going on, but I will be adding this liquid shadow on the lower part of my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and create my wing black liner on the top. I'm actually using the same pencil to do that. I'm also adding some lashes on. These are the lashes that I am going to be adding. These are the MFMA Light Pro Lash, and I also have kind of like a half lash that I cut and I sticked on the outer part just to kind of create more like of a cat eye look. Then I'm gonna be back to show you guys the lower lash line. So I'll go ahead and put all that on and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alrighty, so the lashes are on. I'm just gonna wait till kind of the glue dries down a little bit. In the meantime, let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. I already went ahead and I applied white on my waterline and also just added a little bit of that under the black liner here. And I used my NYX gel liner smudger and it looks like this. Just gonna show you the NYX. This one here is in shade white, and I just took a little brush and I put that on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the liquid shadow from Anglicolor and I'm going to pop that on the lower lash line. And I love how shimmery it is. I definitely want all the colors from this liquid shadow. I feel like they're so pigmented. They're very nice and shiny. And I love that. They're like very, very nice and sparkly. Look at this. It's so cute. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's adorable. This shade here is shade 6, if you are wondering. Now, I don't have a blue one from them, but I found, oh, wrong one. But I found this one from e.l.f., the one that I have. This one here is called Ocean Eyes. Very Billie Eilish vibes. I love that. So I'm gonna take it with an angle brush. This is quite of a darker blue because I don't have a lighter blue, but it doesn't really matter. It's still blue and it's still beautiful. And I'm just gonna grab that and I'm going to put that right under the lower lash line. And I'm gonna go up and about with this too. So dragging it out like this. And now you can go ahead and make it a little bit more vibrant if you want to. You can add more. Don't worry about here. I'm gonna be merging both of them together. Now I'm gonna take the pink again and I'm just gonna go and pat here in the middle and just to marry them together. How cute is this? I can't, it's adorable. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add mascara on the lower lashes. If you guys are wondering about the mascara that I am using, this is the Benefit the Real. And it's one of my favorites. I still wanted to go ahead and use the brown liner from the Anglicolor. I think this is how you spell it. And I'm just adding like little dots everywhere because I find it just creates such a cute little look. So I'm just gonna add some dots. They don't really need to match up with the other eye. I'm just adding them like little sparkles. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some rhinestones here and there. Alrighty, you guys, so just to let you guys know, I am kind of running a little bit on a rush schedule today. So I already went ahead and I contoured, blushed, highlight, and added all of that. So I'll show you guys what I use. So for contour, I use my Shade Light palette from KVD Beauty. As you guys all know, this is my top favorite. And I used shade ShadowPlay and Subconscious, kind of like mix them together to contour my face. And then for blush, nothing new, Juvia's Place, my favorite. This is the Sahran Blush Palette Volume 2. And I used shade Leena and Tau right here, mixing them together. Then for highlight, I used Mikayla and the GlamLite highlighter, and this is how it looks like. It's very light reflectant. But yeah, this is the highlighter that I used on my face. And then I also went ahead and I created some freckles because I just found it super cute. And I used the Beauty XL freckles, the original one. So for lips, I'm just gonna keep it quite neutral. You know, I'm still kind of working around with the Toi Beauty Cosmetics. If you guys haven't watched my video, check out my channel, or you can stay at the end. It will be linked on the screen so you can go ahead and check it out, or you could have saw it somewhere up here too. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the gloss. This is shade 24. I know it looks vibrant and red, but it's actually a super nice soft color. You see, it gives you like a little tint. and I don't know what's going on with my lips lately. I've been having kind of like a reaction, going like super dry skin. That's like the reaction, nothing major, but really dry skin. And I'm trying to avoid something more matte that's gonna dry out my lips more than they are already dried. But this is perfect because it's like moisturizing, it's a little tint, little blushed little lip, and that's exactly what I'm looking for today. I might just gloss it up a little bit. I'm gonna go over with the clear gloss, also from Toi Beauty. This is shade 21. This is so rich and so moisturizing. So it's gonna look like that. Cute, I like that. So let me go ahead and change into a nicer top, also fix up my hair, and I'll be back to finish up this tutorial with you guys. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating this look, and I have to say I can't wait to go out and rock these rainbow eyes. I am so in love with it. Everything that you need to know about Anglicolor is going to be in the description box down below. If you also want to shop the Anglicolor waterproof liners, I will leave the link of these in the description box down below. And also for the shimmer liquid shadow, that's also going to be in the description box down below. You can shop these products on Amazon. These are really fun to play around with, to be honest with you guys, and they're perfect to add to your collection if you're somebody who likes bright colors, who likes liquid liners. I hope you guys give them a try. Check out their links down below if you are interested. I just want to say happy Pride Month to everyone. Enjoy it, embrace yourself, love yourself, be confident, be you, which is the most important thing I can emphasize about. Just be you. And if people judge or don't like it, honestly, don't pay them any of your attention. They're just not worth it. Just want to let you know that I love you and I accept you for whoever and whatever you are. You're accepted on this channel. I love you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye!